Anyway, so Soy 13, otherwise known as Soy Dan. Soy Bacau is just up there. Second road is just down there. Checking this hotel here. Prime location in regards to everything in Pattaya. Pattaya Beach is about a 10-minute walk that way, just across Second Road. Reference, that's the Edge condo there. Okay. I'm going to show you the room. Pool, bar, lounge out here. There's the pool, jacuzzi, all the rooms. I think my room comes with free breakfast. Another pool. Unsure if this is the same hotel. Alright, this is the back of the hotel. I think this is a separate hotel. Okay, so I just found out this building, hotel, is also this hotel. It's all one big hotel. 3 different buildings. You can actually get from Soy 13 to Soy 15, where Grand Avenue is. So this building here, this building, and that building over there. So there's a bunch of different pools. Let's go have a look at the other pools. Right, this is the other pool, all part of the same hotel complex. Nice little bar over there. I won't go any further, but that's the part of the hotel too. Well, fitness center right here. Let's go check that out. I think that fitness center is closed. Just got the one that we saw before. Alright, massive place so far. Really, really good. Worth the price. Right in the heart of everything. You can enter and exit from 13 or 15 Soy. Okay, we're in 403. See if I can find the right way. 402. Full side, here it is. Okay, there we go. Let me show you around. Alright, first walk in, bathroom on your right. All the amenities, thumb gun, Tongan shower. You got a closet area here, safe, hangers, fridge, plenty of water, 30 baht each. Free water is here, coffee, sugar, kettle, it comes with a pack of condoms, 10 baht, 110 baht. I have no idea what that's for. Anyway, TV, bed, oh, nice and soft. Alright, let's look outside, balcony. Some of the dry and airy clothes. Right, that's the edge condo there, right there. Beach is just over there. So hot 43 degrees today. Well, that's the hotel. Good hotel, right in the middle of everything. So Soi 13, otherwise known as Soi Diane. One end is the Soi Buakhao, the other end is Second Road, and the block from Second Road is the beach. So close and central to everything. Buses, everything you need. Yeah, stone throws away. Bit on the pricey side, but not too bad. You can get a much cheaper place. Righto, let me know what you think. And you've seen the rest of the hotel already. And hooroo. Hello. Right, this is the side entrance here. Side bar. So far, 3 different bars. Back to the front entrance here. Soi 13. As I said, it goes to go left, Second Road, go right, you go up to Soi Buakhao. Alright, here we are. Hope you enjoyed. If anything else comes up, I'll flick it in the video. This place also has on-site free parking for people that live here. So 24-hour security parking. Come through the gate. Park your motorbike or your car over here.
Chip นี่ลุง สงสัยโจ้ต้องไปเอาไป
พี่เจ็บ